How to fix TikTok not eligible for you. If any day you see the problem of TikTok not eligible for you, there may be various kind of reason. Now let's learn about it. First of all, launch TikTok on your device. In order to launch TikTok on your device, just tap on TikTok. After that, go to the profile section on the down right. Now go to the three lines on the top and you can see the option of Creator Tools. Now tap on Creator Tools. Now you have to take care that sometimes your TikTok account may show such problem when you have put copyrighted music on your video. Therefore, to remove it, go to Analytics. Now go to the option of Content. In the content, you can find the videos in which you have kept the copyrighted music. Therefore, now you have to tap on the video in which you have tapped the copyrighted music and you have to just remove it. After you do that, you have to go back. And after you go back, now go to the option of Settings. In order to go to the three lines again and go to the option of Settings and Privacy. Now scroll down until you find the option of Report a Problem. And when you find the option of Report a Problem, now you have to write the very problem that you are facing to the designated person. After that, when you find the option of Report a Problem, now scroll down until you find the option of Submit a Report. And after you tap on Submit a Report, now type the problem that you are facing along with the evidences, whatever you are facing the problem. And this way, when your problem will be received by it, your problem will be solved within 24 hours.
Thank you for watching the video, and if you like our video, do not forget to subscribe our channel.